Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are use Android phone, but your mobile phone, who is person not found this version my mobile phone. Any people known your mobile phone who is version use but not do not know this version my mobile phone. If you want your mobile phone who is version running this one, then see this video and check your mobile phone who is version running these times. So please this video and please see watching this video and check your mobile phone who is version running in these times. So follow these systems, but first click your mobile phone display setting icon click and showing about phone option, click about phone option and about phone option click and wall space option click or Android version. This option Android version 11 RKQ1.201022.002. This number is mobile version number and wall space click. This option showing this interface showing Android version number, same number Android version number, but Android version change global. This option Android version number. This number sometimes update system MIUI version this update, but now not update this Android version. If you want update your Android version, then click this option and updating download update option click and automatically update option running, and when update complete then sometime change your mobile phone settings. Thank you watching my video.